Mr. Silex. He's a fashion designer. He studied in Milan, Italy. He owns a fashion label for 9 years, and he started his career at Lakme Fashion Week. He currently lives between Imphal and Delhi. He's currently working with Ning TV Collections, and he's one of the only Manipuri designer to have worked at Lakme Fashion Week. A very good friend of mine, please welcome on the stage, Mr. Silex.
Can we hear some cheers, ladies and gentlemen? Ngasigi, ahum suba oina leksin bigadabi, nungsibiraba miyamna hena sakang biraba, Manipur gi mami gi taibang haiba tare movies tadi khonjel yangna sakhen bi kaya bu maning na thamlam laga pathak yum pan na kaya gi tamoi sumat pa ngamiba tugumba act. She is so Lysum on the stage.
Yes, people, since it's no further introduction, the very popular, the very beautiful Soma Lystrom.
Amutanggahan na ngasigi sulaba Miss Ougri 2017 gi judges sing itamata ahoba kubamatang amukana ni jage.
Yes, people, here are our esteemed panel of judges for Miss Ougri 2017.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Right, the competition is on.
Yes.
This is again Miss Ougri 2017, where 11 beautiful ladies will be vying for the coveted crown.
This is definitely going to be a very tough competition. So without any further ado, we will now begin the first round, the traditional round of Miss Ougri 2017.
Miss Ougri 2017 ki ahanba round, traditional round, may apun na mo, may taminarsi. Thank you.
Thank you.